Hello. So here I am in the hospital waiting to go in for my surgery. I've had to wait a little extra long, so I've been here about 4 hours. They started an IV in my arm and that one quit, and so they started another IV and that one started swelling. And so now I'm on the third one. It's on the inside of my elbow. So we've had a little fun just getting an IV started, but hopefully that's not indicating how the rest of the day is going to go. So anyway, I will keep you updated. I'll try to get some footage when I come out so you can see how everything went. But this is my neck now. Let's see how it looks in a couple hours. All right. So hey, I'm out of surgery. Everything went really well. Was in recovery for a short time, brought me back to a room. Been getting my clothes on, getting ready to go home. My throat's a little sore, but I had a Sprite and a cracker, and that was awesome because I haven't had any food all day. And there's the incision. It's got some super glue over it. There are stitches inside that will dissolve, and then the super glue should dissolve on its own, so it doesn't need any stitches removed. Anyway, I'm feeling kind of groggy. My throat's sore. Worst problem right now is I'm kind of nauseated from the pain meds, but the pain's not too terrible. So we're going to be headed home in a little bit. Everything went great.